guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a whole hemp seed artisan bread. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. For today's video, we're going to need flour, water, yeast, salt, and hulled hemp seeds. Start by combining your dry ingredients and whisking well. Add water and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Once all the flour is incorporated, cover with plastic wrap and let rise for 12 to 18 hours. I like to let mine rise on the counter overnight. After 12 to 18 hours, stretch and fold your dough 2 to 3 times and let rise covered for another 30 minutes. During this time, preheat your oven and your pot at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your pot is preheated, generously flour the bottom of the pot and gently plop your dough into the pot. Cover and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, uncovering after 30. Let cool on a wire rack. I hope you enjoy!